And this is Sarah coming from Sarkodie, featuring a fear. Sarah, happy birthday going out to Amasford Inti Apo of Africa World Airlines from Esther of Ghana Health Service. If I try and announcement, Kakra Warriors, I shall say, Winnisek, Eddie 70 years. Yes, 70th anniversary celebration of Winneba Senior High School. This year's celebration is under the theme Winnisek at 70. Prospects, challenges, and the way forward. The celebration will feature exciting activities through to Sunday, the 17th of November 2019, including public lectures, medical screening, health walk, and many more. So on Wednesday, the 13th of November 2019, there's going to be academic award and inter-house quiz at the Abuache Square at 10 a.m. And then on Thursday, the 14th of November, there's going to be health walk, medical screening, and so tertiary at the PTA clinic from 9 a.m. And a courtesy call on Nenyi Gatti. Now, I feel so a Futu traditional area. When you phone in, I feel Friday, the 15th of November, homecoming activities from 9:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. at Winneba Secondary School. Saturday, the 16th of November, and also a speech and prize giving day at the Abuache Square at 9 a.m. with a special guest of honor, His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Adodankwa Akufo-Addo. Sunday, the 17th of November, a Thanksgiving service at the new Assembly Hall at 10 a.m. Tiana Mashen, so why? We need sec food in our way, we need sec at 70. A patron me can for Duraplast at the amount. When him said Duraplast there, it no be now. I check a year pa. Yes. Now and they acquire anymore when him said Duraplast company no and no any reliable partner for rubber product. A started operation in November 1969. I Timmy share produce UPVC pipes near there, various sizes at the moment for. Now over the years, a progressive a leader in the pipe rubber industry for West Africa and parts of Central Africa, by introducing several other innovative pipe and then rubber products. And products need be a DST sewage treatment plant, innovative septic tank. Yeah, Yakofa Ediaba. Your own size is be brave. A fey water tank. Yes. Yeah, then your water tank. Water tank. Yeah, no feed Duraplast. Yeah, no war, yeah, optional water level indicator. Yeah, man, who the exact amount of water I can't wear or storage tank no emo. I feel away Durabot plastic canoe. I just say no. What tissue so as how they quite anyway, plastic pallets and so white Timmy Church and Yamaguso. Anyway, Durablock water filled plastic safety barrier. They say we do a police footage Jane and no be any DSC near there. I feel away borehole casing pipes. M-box multi-purpose storage box for students as chop box and trunk. They say Kotona Dena Duraplast Dena Nieto. Anyway, a motor box and a plastic delivery box now being a motorbike. No more delivery. This is so much, you know. Duraplast for ya and you're wrong. Garden hose, HDPE pipes, UPVC pipes, compression male, female adapters. Nina. Anyway, check on plot number 10, 11, and 12 Dadiban Road, Accra North. You know, a North Industrial area. Person here dink town so 0302 225 001. 0302 22989 and 0244 3366 65. Kumasi location or Abuabo Light Industrial Area of Furikro. Phrase 0322 040 777 0322 490 95. Duraplast. Where water, and I say where Duraplast goes, water flows.
What do you say? Yes. Yes, mama boom boom cha. Nobody go deny me. Funny.
I come was ask them the home take. I'm just a one boom boom cha. Ubi emu. I don't mind the ubi emu. Kram yami bua. Because Okono Boko. I am a Philippa.
NTJ Nibre. Catch it. Who me no na me too. Who see me no na me fe.
In boost heba mesha police in Edrono. Hebi never boost immune system no ate. Menstrual disorders, liver and then kidney problems, heart related problems.
I be your favorite artist.
Or spine no na how adwene ade ade. Bema wa emre wo nantem or pressure diabetes. Obaby atititi etunkura wonte. In boost heba mesha police in Edrono. Ebedu akejemu. Nana Boache, our Temania Accra, Kings Walk or Country Drug Lane, Hillside Pharmacy on Coco. And then could have no. I feel so. Bet me out phrase 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. Do be on here, be the best more. Tell to go some country say nay. Yan data bundles it doesn't expire. I don't brasso. We need the only core bundle which does not expire. Friend networks out on net browsers are with no expire wahala because time no be problem on Airtel Tigo Fuse bundle. Simply dial star 567 to bundle now. Airtel Tigo. Life is simple. Mami Kamfu Finest Paint Emma since 1964. BBC Industrials. Madama, the best and most renowned quality paint. Proudly made in Ghana. Yeah, what reputation. Kama pa. Enuti Shasia.
Funny.
Say yeah,
good music.
You bet me I want to introduce you latest addition to our paint portfolio. No, idea more man for. And new fine and nest paint. Yeah, Yakofa Ediaba. From the makers of Leyland Paint. The finest quality, the finest brightness, the finest coverage, the finest choice of exciting colors, the finest finish, papa, and most importantly, the finest price. You try the amount. Yes, in a bucket. So finest paint. You want emotion, oil, so available in all leading paint distributor shops. I hold in the retail centers now across the country. For bulk purchase, phrase 0276 950 000. Finest paint. Finest price. Pressure. Open your home appliances from brands we do to say Nasco, Samsung, Media, TCL, Skyward. Say water dispensers, washing machines, Bluetooth speakers, TVs, fridges, air conditioners, mobile phones, laptops, printers, gas cookers, home theater systems, stabilizers, microwaves, CCTV cameras. Papa Panina. Betofi Freddy's corner.
You talk about
what transfer instant lubet me and your mobile phone. I feel pressing iron, blender, kettle, and a bag of rice.
What do you say?
We air Kosovo in head office branch now Kukumlimli. A bang a city light no. I hope and as our promotion we air Kosovo. About your phrase 0544 959 195. I'll pay 020 793 7323. Freddy's Corner. Your authentic source of latest mobile phones and accessories.
I like the way she know me long. You give me this.
Shouts going out to Kwame Afram.
Girl, I like the way you.
Me shut tobacco pay.
I say go, go. She go, go. She go, go. She my number one goalkeeper.
And a guaranteed trust bank here, wow. I'm on set to me, I can quick credit. For crack of no quick credit. Quick credit here allowed to borrow 100% of your monthly salary instantly at only 2% interest rate for 30 days. It's you phone says here about star 737 star 0 hash. Next select the payday credit. Now I agree to the terms and conditions. No, why enter? Now I confirm your opinion. Pronto, Sikanda account. The requested amount no, you'll be credited to your GT Bank account instantly. Very simple. Fredegin Tremu toll free line 0800 124 000 and 0302 611 560. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? MTN Pulse and Chill no so there. Asan land bi. And they try to Dubai. Kona kwa juwania all expense paid trip. It cost one a casa net browser with your Pulse mashup bundles. No, so bit me nyasa kwenya we. Akopium Dubai from now till the 30th of November. Wait me a dial *567# now I'm mash up this year. No build up points no. I check the brain now can home. MTN Pulse just be terms and conditions apply. We there for you everywhere you go.
What is a Ghana court? Did it your people take applause? What them what you find in me friend? Because I'm a power but
yeah, young Fafila and Twaso na a break. Wow.
Yep, mic check 1 2.
Obaba. Na any amount to send it.
I'm out for some bay naked demo.
Just almost start to abu side ho.
Almost same in country. Facebook.
We are normally a cover client service side ho.
I'm bay naked demo because there's so much who say fella time on in favor. Where from akonkonsafoassociation.org. Way of Africa and Ghana.
Okay.
Because fans now are broaching
a worldwide connection.
I understand. Almost the money so my baby much over here.
There we one bar med to the right quarters.
Maybe what I want for Facebook almost say so month. Bound him say I irrigated them work basso 30th of November. So they will be some moody
yes.
Oh Diana or any money and talk to me for pepper Lexus bill. No more calling me men count in my number Kwama immense how they are talking at Metro you tell my chair more pepper
covered.
And I guess a white party 28 December once my say December no make pay ain't you know I just gotta you know I just gotta you know and all that now him say Friday make Jerry food warning be about my phone so be hey now no be kuno je no ho salam snada na ira kasa are you his wife me pay hwehwe anymore me na me bra opa ko catch bra se ne ho efe mpesa ba bi anya wife aya ade ma me fa ba so body ne ma no bi peja me de ko fa hobby we obi enye ni kunu na eba ma ho won ba Jerry boy bi wo Facebook cause friend crank sweat
set time ne ko na Max we dey abetum was Jerry is my sweetheart not coming on the show today.
Keep fighting for me baby I got 3 strong men on no Sunday na Gio. What I say papa so me abehu kuru na confirm mama na say. Hey Crank Swift, so the chairman your brother up and coming musician Crank Swift and I'm watching you live. Man, bless up. I think I just needed to read that message for the guy and I go straight to my fella nani bibing. It seems I've not gone into my UK and US accent because my buffra and all that. I don't know which kind of accent I got, but all I know is this accent is too dope like Kinky and shit. Yeah, man. Now, Jerry, and Sembi Koso Kenata, Nyumbi at home. I'm at the whole Ghana. I said, hey, what is Anyum no? Boka crab lights one be.
Time.
Maybe I know Beyonce time into him. Wait.
And yes, I know chance.
I know Chani way. Now, when na kidi, eko pen who has them code sweetie. As my kidi can one tweet if you want come when you be out. Ghana 4 person much so one kasa dokwa kwase ni match them say na kidi person chere. Na no nan cheno. Me feel like me cry say kidi. Yese Kofi Kenata etro nyum bi man. Eyo no kidi ne album no. Yese Kenata atro nyum bi ama no. Once Kenata nso nye type no ba bi dwo nanum say oh me na me tro nyum we me na me tro nyum we. Sister Sunday me konkonsa emu api na me dom nti no. Benya fela ba kwa tukrum. Yese Kenata etro nyum ma kidi. I don't think say a bad thing. I mean, we are soon in Bibi Obichere. Obi mo me to na me nimti ya na me see miti mami where I don't think it's a big deal.
Ghana Hakwanas had nature than here. Elsewhere we have songwriters. Oh no, yeah, now so better. They write for people and just that they do acknowledge them.
You know. So
the
kid in quite acknowledge. Now when I rex marriage now so I can say Ghana you need good songwriters. How do na ko fa man phone you man. No imagine no ma translate abachi. Was the wabonyum near the I news to for me there. Me say pamona. Eh dem we you ti go feel about open na me kan. No demonstration for no munyi mu pioto. Young never demonstration. Japan, shout out to Maxwell. What's the name? Maxwell, right?
Maxwell, yeah.
Oh, Maxwell, baby. Shout out to you, baby. I don't find your face.